The 2025 BMW 4 Series is a popular luxury compact automobile that offers a balance between style, performance, and technology. The 4 Series features a unique front grille and aggressive appearance. BMW's sleek and eye-catching appearance distinguishes it from other vehicles in its class. The BMW 4 Series comes in a variety of body types, including the 2-door coupe, 4-door Grand Coupe, and convertible variants. The pricing of the 2025 BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe is anticipated to range from $50,000 to $63,000, depending on trim and options. The interior is well appointed with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and cutting-edge technological systems. BMW's iDrive infotainment system is straightforward and user-friendly. The 4 Series typically provides pleasant and supportive seats with a variety of upholstery options, including leather and premium synthetic materials. BMW's iDrive system offers a user-friendly interface for handling different car functions, such as the infotainment system and navigation. All Grand Coupes feature a wide, curved display panel that functions as both a digital gauge cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system. The software uses BMW's iDrive 8.5 interface, which is both stylish and simple to use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard features that function wirelessly. In-dash navigation, SiriusXM satellite radio, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all provided. The normal stereo system consists of 10 speakers, however a Harman/Kardon stereo with 16 speakers is available as an option. Two turbocharged powertrains are available, both of which are good and include a 48-volt hybrid system. The 430i variant has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 255 horsepower. The more powerful engine is a 3.0-liter inline-six with 386 horsepower. Both engines include an 8-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive as standard. All-wheel drive is available as an option. The suspension can feel stiff over large potholes, but the trade-off is agile handling that gives grin-inducing amusement on a tight road.